To trade in Webull. Start by downloading and installing the Webull app on your device. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing the required personal and financial information. Verify your account through the email or SMS sent by Webull. After verification, fund your account by linking your bank account or using other payment methods. Webull offers various funding options, including wire transfers and ACH deposits. Ensure you understand the fees associated with each funding method. Once your account is funded, navigate to the trade section of the app. Here, you can search for the stock or security you want to trade. Webull offers a wide range of trading products, including stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. To place a trade, select the security you want to buy or sell and choose the order type. Webull offers various order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. Enter the number of shares you want to trade and confirm the order. Webull also offers advanced trading tools, including technical indicators and charts. These tools can help you analyze the market and make informed trading decisions. Additionally, Webull provides real-time market data and news to keep you up to date with market trends. To manage your trades, navigate to the portfolio section of the app. Here, you can view your open positions, monitor your profits and losses, and adjust your trades as needed. Webull also offers risk management tools, including stop-loss and take-profit orders. To get the most out of Webull, it is essential to understand the fees associated with trading. Webull offers commission-free trading for most securities, but there may be other fees, such as regulatory fees and management fees. By following these steps and using the tools and features offered by Webull, you can trade confidently and effectively. Remember to always do your research and set clear trading goals before placing a trade. With practice and experience, you can become a skilled trader and achieve your financial goals.